to my YouTube channel, Dr. Anamika Vlogs. Do like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all the updates, and let me know in the comment section what you want to see next and how was my video. So this video is basically for all the NEET aspirants because उनके mind में common question चल रहा है, what should be the preparation strategy for these last 70 days so that you can get your dream college and your dream seat. So do watch my entire video and I'm sure that by the end of the video you will be quite satisfied and for sure you will try all my strategies. First, a common question is that what should be the number of hours that you should invest in your studies during these last 70 days. So I would like to suggest you that you should give a minimum of 15 to 16 hours according to your capability and potential, because this is the last moment and you should not miss this chance. So in this 15 to 16 hours, there should be two sections. The first section is of 12 hours and the second section is of 3 to 4 hours. So in the 12th section, I would suggest you to practice as many questions as you can from all subjects like physics chemistry or physics bio or biochemistry, any two subjects each day, because this will help you a lot, because in your exams questions are asked, not your theory section. Second part is you should be investing your time on teachers' notes or some self notes or some formula copies, and most important, number 4 is minimum of 1 to 2 hours on your NCERT biology, because it has maximum weightage in your paper. Now this was a short summary of the entire strategy during the 70 days. Now I would be talking about individual subjects, that's what should be the preparation strategy for biology, chemistry and physics. So starting with the individual subjects, first I would like to start with biology, which is maximum weightage in your paper. So maximum students के mind में ये question होता है that should we study something outside NCERT or we should study some extra content in other than what's in NCERT. So my strategy was only to study NCERT biology, and yes, if I'm telling you to study NCERT biology means you should wholly follow that book. You should be reading each and every line, each and every diagram, each and every page, and completely all about NCERT, because it's the only book you have to study and that will help you to get a very good rank, believe me. This time you should be solving more questions than reading. So you can go for biology today because it has all the latest questions and it's a very good book if you want to get all the recent questions that has appeared in exams like AIMS or JIPMER, and it will help you brush up your skills and make you perform well in exams. The next subject, that's your chemistry, जो कि most preferred होते हैं after biology because that's easier considered to physics. So I would suggest कि during this last 70 days don't go for reading your NCERTs or some long books. Solve as many questions as you can also in chemistry, like in organic as well as physical chemistry. Go for as many questions as you can, and for theory section you can go for some self notes or teachers notes or some formula copies that you might have prepared previously. Then let's go to the last subject, that's the physics, which is the nightmare for most of the medicos, as it's considered hard, but it's not hard because आपको पढ़ना है एकदम basic level पे. You have to solve all the formulas and you have to actually summarize all the formulas from any good book, any modules of Ellen or Akash, and go for practicing as simple questions as you can. But the most important thing is कि physics में आपको हर एक chapters से एक basic level की knowledge होनी चाहिए, and that you can easily get during this last 70 days. And also go for all the previous year questions, solve as many sets as you can. So in my video I will tell you about each subjects in detail, what should be the preparation strategy during this 70 days. Hope this video was helpful for you. So all the best everyone, give your best, and it's very easy, believe me. It only requires a bit of dedication and hard work, and for sure you'll be able to do it. Thank you.